Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be working on the side of the house by the fence. So that's pretty much what I will be doing, straightening up things and also weeding some of the plants and cutting back some of the plants as well, because they have already came and bloomed. So they're pretty much gone for the season. So again, welcome back to this channel, and also for my new subscriber, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and for the old subscriber, thank you guys for just hanging on in there with me. Okay, as you all can see, it is another day, so the rain has stopped. So what I'm going to do is refresh this area over here with some rocks, and also I'm going to mulch as well. Okay, I'm going to stain this gate, but it's going to be on a separate video.